Oh.
Okay. In there. There you go. Look up.
Oh.
Holy. Oh my God. There. Oh. Just relax. Well, Danielle, or Danny, as I know you.
Yeah,
I call you Danny.
most people call me.
Most people call you Danny. I saw you at the gym. You told me your hips hurt, and you say your neck and shoulders hurt a little bit, but you're telling me more in your hips and stuff. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
So when I look at your x-rays and I look at them here, I want you to see this because this is a side view of your neck.
Mm-hmm.
And when I'm looking here, first off, you don't really have any curve in your neck, which is, a lot of people have that, but also because we're doing a lot of this nowadays, and we're not doing a lot of getting like this. When you're a baby and you start crawling, we lift our head up to create this natural curve, and that curve helps disperse the forces equally throughout the bones in your neck. Well, you haven't had a curve probably for quite some time, and what's happened is this lower part of your cervical spine is really compressed.
Okay.
It's kind of thin, right?
Yeah.
And then what happens to this bone here, it gets a little point here and a little point here. That's what we call like arthritic changes. It's like the arthritis is setting in because there's so much pressure there that the body wants to build more bone. Well, it protects it, but then it decreases the motion there.
Right.
So this is right in the lower part of your neck, which affects the upper part of your back and into your arms and shoulders. You told me your shoulder and your elbow you might have had something going on with. So this is an issue that we're going to work on. First thing I'm going to do is check some areas on the back of your head. This is a little weird, but it just, look, I let everybody know. It sounds weird to you, it sounds weird to me too, but it's really cool. So what I'm gonna do, Danny, is there's 6 spots, right?
Okay.
Now they may all be sensitive or none of them may be sensitive.
Okay.
I'm only looking for one.
Okay.
Just tell me the one that's the most tender, the most sensitive, all right?
Okay.
So I'm gonna start here with number 1. This is number 1. Is that sensitive?
Yeah.
Feels a little sensitive to me. Okay. How about number 2 compared to 1?
Not as much.
So 1 is more than 2.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Okay,
God.
so we'll go 1, 2, then I'll go 1, 3.
1.
Definitely 1.
Oh.
1,
Yeah.
4.
1.
It's 1 all the way. 1, 5.
Yeah, that doesn't even hurt.
And 1, 6.
Yeah, that.
So it's all 1.
Yeah, what's that one?
That one is your glandular system. It controls and coordinates all the glands in your body. So some of the things you might experience are memory loss, low energy, disrupted digestion.
Totally have memory loss type stuff. Yes.
You do.
Yeah.
Urinary tract issues, blood sugar issues, mood swings, and menstrual cramps. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust specific areas in your spine.
Okay.
That should reboot that.
Okay.
And then we'll go back and feel this. And I'm not saying this is going to be 100% better, but you feel how it feels now. It should feel less, if not completely go away.
Okay.
And what that means is that everything then will be rebooted. Like a computer that's bogged down, it's kind of like it resets it.
Okay.
We're going to go like this, okay? I'm going to start over here. This is number 1 over here, okay? And this is number 6. So when I press in here, is that tender at all?
Yeah.
That is tender. How about here, 2? 1 or 2?
1.
1's more. 1 or 3?
1.
1 or 4?
1.
1 or 5?
1.
1 or 6? Looks like it's 1, huh?
1.
You're number 1. All right, we're good to go. We got number 1. So when I come back, I'm going to press that again. It should be better. All right? Come on, sit up. This is going to be fun. So before I get started, you're going to turn your head to the right for me. Turn your head to the left. Either one of those, do you feel any more like sensitivity or pulling?
On the right.
When you go to the right. Okay. All right. Let's go like this. Okay. So I'm going to come up here. I'm just going to press down on your shoulders a little. This just kind of relaxes you a little bit. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to bring the shoulder down a little bit. Okay, I'm coming in right here. Very good, good.
Oh. Oh my God. I wasn't ready.
I told you it's going to be a little different. Was I lying?
No. No lies.
Yeah. Right in here. Just let this drop. Good, good. I know. Okay.
I just want you to do that over and over.
Coming around this way. And you're going to take the weight of your head, if you can, which is about 12 pounds, and you're going to drop it down.
I think they said that on Jerry Maguire too. Sorry.
Keep pushing. shoulder down. Keep it down. You're doing good. You're doing so good. Hang in there. Hang in there. Oh.
Nice. Good job.
Thank you. This. Okay, let this dry. You've done this before, something like it, right?
Yeah, my chiropractor. This is the one thing that he does a little bit. He doesn't get on top of me like this though, and it would be nice.
Okay, hang in there. Okay. So again, 12 pounds if you let it drop. Give me like 2 more pounds. There you go.
That's awesome.
And again, 12 pounds. You give me about 8. Give me like 4 more. Now look straight up. All right. Yeah, your neck definitely loosened up.
Oh my gosh.
You feel the difference?
Yeah. I don't know if it's ever been moved like that. Ever.
That's why we call it ATL cracks with Dr.O.
Right.
You can get addicted to this crack.
I am a, yeah.
We get addicted to this crack.
I'll be back on Monday.
Give me like another 2 more pounds right into my hand there. Good. Look up. Good. Good. That was good. You feel the difference?
Oh, yeah. It's not, this isn't tight anymore. Right there.
Yeah, no, really good. Good, good.
Okay.
Today. Okay. When I pull like this, do you feel it pulling on your spine? Like, where do you feel it, or do you feel it?
I don't know if I feel, maybe my lower back,
Okay.
middle a little.
Okay. So we're just going to traction a little bit first before we do anything. I'll let you know when I'm going to do anything. I'm just kind of stretching your spine out a little just so you get used to this feeling. It doesn't hurt, right? Feels weird. Does it hurt a little bit?
Yeah, my neck just moved again.
It did good. Hey, that was a bonus. See, that's the point. See, sometimes that's what we want to do. I want to get all those areas.
I mean, I actually feel it more in my neck. Yeah, like
yeah,
I
you
feel
might
it in
feel
my
it all
neck.
in your neck. Just keep breathing. 1, 2, 3.
Holy fudge.
Say it.
Nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, that went down through my back, my lower back.
Hang in there, sweetheart. Good. Breathe, breathe, breathe.
Oh my gosh. Nice.
Right in there.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh,
That was me.
you're welcome.
I know. Sometimes, yeah, thank you. Sometimes my patients adjust me. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'll be back on Monday.
Right. Oh, yep. Is that it?
Did you feel that? I didn't hear it, but I felt it. It moved without me even doing anything. I just went on it and it
Probably
moved.
go more.
It's going to go more. Hang in there, right? There we go.
Oh. Nice. Yep.
Hang in here, okay. Good. Hang in there. She's too small. You say you feel like you're off balance?
Yep. I am.
You think?
I know I am.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yep.
I can't wait for you to see this video.
I can't wait either.
You're gonna go, really? You've been walking around like that? All right.
Here goes. Oh. Told you you'll need an adjustment after.
No, I feel good. I feel, my back feels better after adjusting you.
Oh.
Just like that. Hang in there. I'm gonna bring my hands right underneath your chin, right here. Just relax.
I felt it down here.
You felt it all the way low, huh?
Like, all the way down here, yeah. Like
Is that
into my lower.
Is that crazy?
Yes. Oh my gosh. I feel like it made me longer. Am I taller?
You're taller. You're taller. Yeah, it's on the right still. Okay. Yeah. All right. Good. Good. Hang in there. Good. Get the toes too, right?
Yeah, and my ankles turn in. They're so messed up. Like the right one.
On your right foot, huh?
Yeah, the bunion right there.
Oh, you felt that?
Mm-hmm.
Hang on, yeah, hang on for dear life there. There. Remember where they were before. Let's just see what happened now. Since she was like majorly off, and now her hips are level. Bring this under a little more. Right there. All right. Alrighty. Hang in there.
Oh.
Whoa, that's been in there for a while, hasn't it?
Yes. Oh, that was good. Right there. In that little.
Yes.
Oh. Yes. Do that one again.
And you remember what it felt like, right?
Yeah, it's definitely much better.
Okay, right there now. How is it now?
A little sore, but not anywhere near what it was.
It's better than what it was.
Yeah, it physically hurt. Now it just kind of
Like it's got
maybe
pressure.
tender. Yeah.
So it definitely improved.
Yeah.
So we did something.
I think we did a few things.
You think so? What do you think? What do you think we did?
I definitely think that we moved some things around so it can, my body can feel better for sure.
Absolutely. We're back to that spot that was number 1 here, like right in here. How's that feeling now?
Better.
Better?
Yeah.
Good. It should be better. If not, we got to keep going. But it should be better. You should sleep better. Mm-hmm. You should notice an overall sense of ease, which, you know, in the traditional medical world, we say dis-ease or disease. In chiropractic, we go dis, which is a lack of ease. So we take the dis out, and what are we left with? We're like with ease. Exactly. And that's what we want, a total amount of ease throughout your whole spine, throughout your whole body, mind, body, and spirit, feeling so much better. That's what this is all about. ATL cracks with Dr. O. Get addicted to this crack, and we'll see you next time.